Hello, my name is Dr. Srikanth V. I am a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Manipal Hospital, Bangalore and at Clinique Belle, Bangalore. Typically, as you all know, rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure. Whenever there is a surgical procedure, there will be some amount of bruising. The nose is no exception, and especially on the face, there will be bruising, and the more fair you are, the more obvious the bruising is going to be. One of the ways in reducing the bruising is to use ice packs. Immediately after surgery, when you go back to the ward, the nurses will give you some ice packs. This application of ice packs has to continue for 24 to 48 hours. One of the other things that the patient can do is to lie in a little more upright position, that is, use two pillows when sleeping and be in upright position most of the days. This will help to keep the swelling down and the bruising down. Your doctor may give you some amount of medication to reduce the bruising, but that depends on the surgeon's preference.